You say it's not just a great house, it's a great house.
Yeah,
This is a great house. This are the peeps are the great house.
Morning viewers, morning.
Yeah man, he say he want to say good morning man.
So what's the name?
What your name?
Name Chidian.
Chidian, you a footballer?
Yeah man.
What kind of, which way you play? Forward? Where you play? You goalie, you forward, you...
Forward.
You're not forward. You're
Yeah,
left
man.
side.
I'm not goalie, man. Forward.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, later viewers and subscribers. Subscribe, follow and share this video.
Alright.
Give it a thumbs up.
Yeah man, big up. Yeah guys, blessings. Like, welcome back to Elite Jamaica. We're on our way to the location. But then we see them gate post here. Like, we heard that there was a slavery house over by this location. And we really wish you could have seen it. Look here. Like, me not even put on my shoes yet guys, because when I drive now my slippers there, and then when I reach the location, I put on my shoes. So we'll see if we can get to see that location here. I see persons on the location, so yeah, what I do peace. I do like me not see them. I'm just go in the yard and start film. If you tell you stop, we stop. But I want to see this. Alright, if you don't want to do that, type yes in the comment section down below. Follow.
Cut.
Down. Hello. Are you heard the dog bad? Dog bad? Hello. Alright, good afternoon.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah man, up at Hermitage, we'll go for the next gate house.
Yeah.
But you will see the gate post them.
Yeah.
And I say, yo, when name?
Joe.
Peeps, type Joe in the comment section down below. Right now guys, we get a, what do I call it? I don't know the word for use, but we get a close-up of the great house. It's not really a great house as he says, but we can find out now. And follow me. Yes, so I don't think I will do because you see
Something like that.
when we come back here,
To the sun.
so you see, no man, them know about the sun. I do 57 great house in Jamaica already. Oh, yeah. And majority of them in Western St Thomas. I do the whole of Western St Thomas from, you call it from Morant to right back up to Aglis Gap.
Yeah.
All of them. You see me even around Belvedere, Fonthill, you have the Buckingham, you have the Gabranal crossover Trintyville. And guys, these places are places, you see, Gabranal, Buckingham, all of these places, Rossile. All you need to do guys is just type in the name of the great house. Don't turn on the camera now. No, this is the great house, bro. Say it's not just a great house, it's a great house.
Yeah,
this is a great house. These are the peeps are the great house. And that one, guys, this is a great. It's a great house, it's in a great condition. It has never been changed. It has been maintained. It has been upkept. And the second great house we are finding in a good condition. Don't turn the camera. If you turn the camera in, the people might vex with it. Alright guys, so I really think, even though the great house is here, I'm not really getting excited as yet. I don't feel that excitement there. I think there's an older building here because you know we try to disprove the Jamaican heritage, the Jamaican history because we tell with it wrong. One next building there, don't. One brick building though. Come close to the camera.
No.
Well on man. One next building there.
And next building there, but
What kind of building?
it built out
Stone?
no, yeah, a stone building. Yeah,
Right there.
see, right over there. Yeah, but
Well,
Don't turn the camera.
That's it.
Guys,
Yeah.
Mr. Joe Rogan. No. I'm not Joe. No.
Joe.
Where last name?
grass it have a last.
Joe Grasset. If there's anyone who knows Mr. Joe Grasset, classmate, anybody, just comment in the video down below. You see me?
Yeah.
If you're a family member, you can big them up to you. You see?
Yeah.
Alright? But Joe tell you say like, yeah, the great house. Him say it wasn't a great house, really. But this is the great house. And you know guys, we're trying to show you that the history that we have learned, sorry about that,
Yeah.
the history of we have learned, it's not really right. Because we have find 2 and 3 great house on one site. And then that one them know the old one. But then
This one.
and next building there,
This is the oldest one.
this is the oldest one.
Yeah.
The oldest one look newer.
Yeah.
Guys,
Good condition.
You see this? Because the oldest one has been taken care of and I really believe. Alright, so
That
you know we now all at the time. We just
Yeah.
are showing this and move along. You have no more brick building nowhere around the place because we have one catchment down this way. You know, I don't know this no whole building there, you know, some brick down in the ground and nothing. And a stone
Wow.
building.
Hey, this is well kept, guys.
Alright, guys, follow me the camera.
This place is
Follow
very
me the
beautiful.
camera. Guys, Great house. This is the great house, guys.
Beautiful.
Run around footage.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so that's a great house that's in good condition.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. See, chuck it up, peeps. Yeah, man, I did have the camera. Yeah, guys, this is a great house in good condition. That's the original windows.
Can go on board.
The original windows, the original board. The dog your body no peeps. Him just me never want to come up here. The original doors, guys. This is the original doors on the great house. You know, the original windows is just that they put up steel because you know you have to protect your environment nowadays. So they put in grill. But these are the original windows, guys. And then we have around here. This shows us how persons had built back then. That's another door right there. Coming around. Just hope nobody know they have catching it.
No, man.
Okay. That's another window right there. Another original door. Guys, you know see? This is the second great house we have found in good condition. You know? Yeah, man. And it's well kept. But we have a stone building over here, which me not sure. Because, you see, with all of this, guys, with all of this, we know that this building right here was the original building that was here. A real thing you talk.
Yeah, man.
This are the great house. This are the original building that was here.
It on that building,
You know?
the first building supposed to in the yard. That thing.
The original building, because if you notice the pathway that they have made, it was made from cut stone. So I know say all the building there anyway. Maybe them push it where to build that one. You understand? Due to the history we learn,
Yeah.
we kinda guys look at that tree. It's really huge. See me?
Yeah, true.
Bad dog.
Yeah, tree.
Bad dog. The mouth big. One of the hanging tree them this? Them not hanging about the pan tree, yeah?
No, no.
Okay. But you know it's a very old tree though.
Yeah, that old tree.
Yeah, man. So, guys, this is the stone building.
Yeah.
Well on. Guys, you know, see me I telling you, say, our next house did there, you know. Watch your dog, I'm not gonna like when I stray go certain place and you follow me.
Yeah, man, good. Yeah, man.
Bro, you see me I tell you, say, you see what me I tell you now? This is the original house. Me I tell you, you know. I never two, a tree. This now is the original house. I mean, I tell him, you know, say our next building over here, the original great house over here. Come see the fence out the road and never tell me. Say. Guys, see the house here? This are the
Real
original
deal.
house, guys. And if you notice, in the older construction again.
Yeah.
Look here, peeps, you don't see what I go on? Older construction again. This is the house, just like we found up in the hills the other day.
Yeah.
Like, type in the comment section and let us know if we should still head on to the Hermitage Great House. Thank you so very much. And let us know if we should still head on to the Hermitage Great House or if we just film that one. Guys, look, see at the same construction that we found. This is the Great House now. This is the original Great House that was here, you understand?
Yeah.
And then them build that and this build. This is the house of the man. It's a Matalan house. We don't show that on camera. Don't show the house up on camera,
Yeah.
So guys, you notice, we keep on defy Jamaican history because like them building are not built in a slavery or a little bit before slavery. These were here from before 1651. So I don't understand the slave history where them are give. It just not work. It not add up. Guys, you know look here. We have always wanted to see this building. And I mean I passed here with someone and the person I passed with, them never really want to come over here. They were scared. Look here. This them stone here. I tell you, it's them stone here. It's an older construction there, you know.
Yeah.
You see me, them stone come from an older construction where them just use stone. Them never camera. Them never use the line and them thing there. Let me show you something. Guys, let me show you what line is. You see in the middle of this? You see in the middle of this, peeps? Come here, sir. Guys, you see in the middle of this that looks like concrete. Catch my finger. This that look like concrete, guys. This is not concrete, this is lime. Them grind up the stone and then mix it with the lime to make the inside fill in for all this. So the older buildings, them never used to do that because they never have the building technique there yet. You understand? So that's how we know that the buildings that were here first, them did actually there first and them older because they never used that technique here. But the one them that was here first, they were built before, long before slavery. And we are talking about 1358. And we are going to get to that in our next video. Or maybe even in this video. And just follow me, I could finish the building now. You know, see, this all defies Jamaican history. See the building here, guys, it was a really large house that was here. This a part of the building come down. Follow me on. This a part of the building come down, guys. And if you notice, sometimes these trees or the weather or whatever, it break down the building. Guys, this should come across all the way over here. We now see. Alright, that's how you come now.
Yeah. Ma.
It's supposed to go across. Yes, sir. So, all of them stone them, let's stone them. Like, you don't know, come on. You don't know when me say something, me not guess and spell. You don't see the stone them, guys. But this wall was broken down. I'm not sure why, maybe because them build the pool or, you know, them break it down for construction purposes. But this was the original great house that was here. This is the original great house. Now guys, see one of the wall of me again. You see this how, come here, let me show you something guys. This is how the wall looks when it falls down. And you notice the wall right there, so guys. Yeah. Alright, and look, and you see how the wall look when it fall down? It just look like some stone somewhere. It just look regular. But this is the wall, guys. So that's why when I show you guys around here with the stones, I'm showing you again. The building
Collapse.
the building, guys, right there, and it comes out here. Even them stone, the whole of them stone where you see as a part of the wall, you know, bro. Yeah. But them break down. You see me, people, domestic purposes. People build wall, people push with people, burn fire. You understand?
Yeah. Sure.
So it break down. But guys, as I'm saying, we found the original great house. And like a lucky thing with it stop down.
Yeah.
I tell you now, we keep on finding more and more stuff that really debunks Jamaican history and shows you that Jamaican history, as we were told, it's not true. Historical Society of Jamaica, and I get on the facts clear. I'm telling you guys again, get on the facts clear. Yeah. Alright, so let me see right now.
Man, what's enough?
Whoa. It's just a feeling being inside a building like this.
Wow.
Just a feeling being inside a building like this that was here how much years. You tell me about what? You're busy about what? Picture.
Okay, hold on. Yeah.
Bro, as me that tell you. So when me I say stone building or brick building, you ever remember about this?
Yeah,
you ever remember about this?
Me know about.
But yeah, so I know this me I talk about.
Yeah.
Alright, this one I real deal, this one.
This are the building
So
where
we
I
are
look for.
in the great
Not that.
house.
Don't film the great, don't film the
No.
house. This is where I look for, guys. This are the first building. I'm showing the stone them of the original great house that was here. And then I'm showing the, you see this build before that one then? You see me? That one I built before 1651. You see me? We kind of can accelerate that, you see?
Yeah.
Due to the information and the experience so we have, we know this built before 1651.
Yeah.
Alright? So the next one over there that was built out of board, let me show you that one, the guys. Come in, wanna follow me. Here guys, this one right here. Peeps, we find one next copper pot. And you can't believe it. And look here. That one are different.
Yeah.
Guys, that one are different. This thicker.
True.
This original. We never find one like this, guys. The other one, them always thick. Come here. Come look on this. Come look on the edge. The edge. Guys, you know look here. You see the edge? Thick. We have never found one like this. Catch the whole thing, go round it, catch everything about it.
Yeah, bro.
Up, top, down, round, everything.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys, that's how large it is. This another one sugar pot, you know. This was the broiler.
Yeah.
Guys, this
Huge.
was not. Come on. This was not the sugar pot. This was the broiler, and that is the reason why it has these things. Look here, it have them something here. We hang it up.
Yeah.
You see me? So the sugar boil in another pot here. Another one, this where them throw out, you know. So this kind of different.
True.
This one had to be in stronger condition. You understand?
Yeah.
But take some more of a picture.
I did it. You wanna be in it?
Come on. So guys, this is part of the construction of the older building that was here.
True.
Wall around go down, so.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Look in there, so. That's the next side of the wall, so it was a very large wall.
True.
Alright?
True. So it's go right there. Yeah, yeah.
Alright, so.
Them on people.
More on this, sir?
No, no more.
You sure?
You sure? No, stop it.
Wow.
Why don't I do that? Alright, so where's the not more along there, sir? Alright, so guys, him said nothing more in the round at the background there, sir. So we're not gonna further run at the back. But this house, guys, this is the great house that was built a little bit before slavery. It has been renovated and has been upkept, so it looks nice. So this basically gives us a picture of how great houses look back then. You know, maybe, well, the same flowers them there still as I noticed. Them are the old flowers them. You see me, them are not stop growing up.
Yeah,
10 million years from now, them are going to always there. That
Yeah,
tree
man.
are there.
Reality.
Yeah, sorry. Everything is there. You see me? So, guys, these trees, these were always here. These were always here on the compound because these are trees that were grown on most of the slave plantations. As you notice, me know you never see this yet. You never saw a tree like this yet. Look on the leaf them. You never see this yet? Let me know, guys, if you have ever seen this in the comment section down below. You never see them tree here yet. These grow on slavery plantations. Remember I told you guys that there are plants here that were brought from England, but them just upon the slavery plantation alone. Them not there nowhere else. And this is one of those. This is not a lily. If you notice, them have the old them and them thing there. We have never seen plants like these. You see me, these grows on the slavery plantation. So guys, it's a lovely surrounding, very lovely surrounding. The dog them bad and them come like them want to bite me. But don't do that. Lovely surroundings, guys. If you look over there, it could be a park. It could be a park with ice cream and everything. No jail not upon the house, yeah? No liquor cellar not under it. Alright.
This is a well.
Well, things are there still, but them upkeep. Where you talk about, man?
Yeah, man.
Selling there, man. You never gone there, say yet, you know? Never done.
No, go so far.
Guys, me feel like I'm selling down there.
Yeah, bro.
Alright, if you all notice, there was a step here.
Yeah.
You understand? You never see this yet, bro?
Yeah, I see that step.
There was a step here, guys, that went up in the house. So the house really refurbished. Alright, I can go around and stuff. Because me are looking up.
Yeah.
Look out for us.
Sure.
Follow me. Alright, nothing to do up here, so.
No.
This look like mudslide kind of go up this our way. Up there. We're not seeing no cell, guys. Honestly, we're not seeing no cell.
No, still not really.
No cells. So maybe they were somewhere else.
Yeah.
But we know some most great house had cells for slaves. And this is our original great house in an original condition.
Sure.
But we're not seeing no cell.
Sure.
But go there so Chucky and show them how this stay. How it look like round
It's
this.
like a building still.
No man, go round this and look up. It look like the road, like the soil run down.
Oh.
So anything with it there,
Yeah.
because on the other side the low one, you know.
Sure.
On the other side the low one. You know.
Okay.
If you notice a step here that are the ground, and you can notice some part higher than this.
Yeah,
So the part them are higher that means the soil is the road, you understand?
Sure.
You see me? So that one. But it's the original. Some of them are built after the house and the pan, you know. All the houses are the original, no. These are the original, no.
Yeah, that's original.
Come on, Chucky.
Coming. Wow. It's fantastic here, bro.
The spirit them where there, them underneath, I saw them love under your too. That be after.
Modern.
That round there, so original.
Yeah.
This Original.
Original.
So the house no really depend on nothing.
No.
The house depend original. Peeps, we are get out of here 'cause I can drop.
Can go.
You ever gone there? It's weird, though. Another feeling weird, though.
No, bro, no, this.
Wow.
You never gone there? What make?
Yeah, that me already.
Another feeling weird, though. Look on the camera, man, and tell him.
No.
Yeah, man, another every
Scared.
month. You see me? So,
Wow.
come in.
Don't be shy, kid.
Guys, no trespass against you with it.
Some other stuff, eh? What you pass up there, man?
What is? Joe, what that Professor Joe?
What you pass up there, Uncle Joe?
What that? Eh? What wall that?
I got a building nice.
Next, I feel stone building.
You know them the way I look for Joe?
Mr. Joe, but you keep it in for,
I
man.
feel like one where Mr.
Oh.
Okay.
Some of the lot. We don't want
Okay.
that one to them. Guys,
Place here, fantastic, bro. Beautiful.
alright.
Yeah.
First, guys, me that said this was a grave, but this is not a grave. It's a part of a building because we have metal, guys.
Yeah.
You see me? You see, when them demolish the building, the factory, them
Wow.
God, what that big. Alright, guys, look here. You see, when them demolish the building, them leave some mounds like these, but you notice the concrete still nice. The lime, we call it concrete nowadays, you know. It's still nice. And the metal, it's still nice. And this piece of concrete right up there, you know. Oh, wait there. God damn, I'll stick this here. I don't know, I can't see good enough. Yeah, man. So, if you look, you know, this piece of building construction, this a piece of cut stone. So we have two different era of construction everywhere we look on the compound. I know tell me say Jamaican history still right? No man.
Well, lies, eh?
Something not right. Something not
So
right.
what was there, Mr. Joe, up there, like a little?
No, nothing about there.
Oh, the stone
Okay.
building there, that was built by Mr. Matalan.
Yes, the house up there. Same
Okay,
like that, the big house, the big stone house over there.
Okay.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah, peaks. It's a very wonderful breeze, very clean atmosphere here, right now. It's a good condition, you know. You can see that. Yes. Hey, bro. Alex. So guys, this is what it actually looks like on the back of the premises. Yes, it's very beautiful. You can see the windows. Nothing don't change here, guys, as the windows is still in the same condition. Yeah. Neck part is chickens. My chickens. She's very disturbed right at the moment. Wow. Alex.
So guys, check this is something else. Look here. This was a well, you know. Well? Bacon. What far angle?
So what they baking it?
Oh. So like them put the thing them down in there and cover it.
Oh.
Them lamb and cow and them thing they baking and things like this.
Oh, meat,
Guys
yeah.
from India or Pakistan who are watch, who don't know about this. No, you put the whole cow, you just skin him and take out him guts, you put him down in night with the fire and everything and you cover it. And that's how the cow is baked or the sheep or whatever you are baked. It's for big animals. Is that the usual the boy? Yeah? Guys, I needed to remember that this plantation was owned by the Beckfords. May I breathe short because for me on a plantation like this, trust me peeps, it's like, it's unbelievable. unimaginable. Like, I never know somebody get access to a plantation like this. This was owned by the Beckfords. The Beckfords of sugar. Them own the biggest sugar plantation in Jamaica. Them actually got like one of the sons, I don't remember her name. I think I can put the name on screen when I'm editing this video. He was caught in some violation of like the norms of sexual activity. Them catch him with 1 month, so the family sent him out. Them like run him out and the plantation going to ruins, and then went back to England.
Era when sodomy is a hanging offence. Fonthill's obsession threatens the future of the Beckford dynasty.
The other son him like waste the money and all of that, but this is one of their plantations. They also found around here is one of the Beckfords house. Alright, so even you guys in England, in London, in places like Manchester and all those places, when you buy the sugar and see the B on it, that B with the 2 strokes at the top and the bottom, that's owned by Beckfords. That's from the Beckfords sugar plantation, because them still do sugar in Jamaica. I mean, a video of that, man.
Both of you guys.
You see me, them still the sugar in Jamaica. So it's the Beckfords sugar plantation. Now that thing, you know, say animal them usual roast and that thing. You just put the animal in there and cover it and put the fire in there and roast. You see me?
Sure.
So that means really, guys, it's really 3 era of slavery that we are really witnessing here. That bill before the house, that bill with the original house that was here. And I think the original house that was here, that was for the Beckfords. After that, the son will take over. I'm going to tell you his name on screen, but that was for the son who took over. That are the house will find around there. You understand? And this, honestly, I can't tell you who built this one, but this was a great house. I think this built in the 1805, 1806 era. Yeah. You see me, and was refurbished.
True.
You see? And then, we're not going to test it. I don't know. What you say?
Yeah, grave fire, but and sugar.
I'm sure off the grave. But I think this is a grave.
Yeah, it's a tomb. It's a tile.
No,
Yeah.
This come like a tomb, but would be a step.
Yeah.
Where we step lead to somewhere. That goes to show, guys, that there was an older building here.
Also.
You understand? That's
Yeah.
just a step right here leading to something. Every step leads somewhere, don't it?
Yeah.
Every step leads somewhere. So, yeah, guys, so this building here, this site we found, it once again go against the history that we were taught in school. You see me? Because the original house, they also found on there, the house we can say, yeah, that are within slavery time, even though it was built a little bit before slavery time. You see me? Because due to experience, due to carbon dating, due to all of them things, that we can't really look on the building and tell you. You see me? There's no going around that. But the house that was here before, that wasn't built no time there, that was built long before slavery time. So who were those persons? Who were those persons? We can't talk about sometime. Who were those persons? We not really understand. And we're trying to get to the bottom of that. We have a next building for showing you guys. The part 2 for the other building that we did the other day is coming up. We need enough to tune into that. Alright? We're trying to reach you now. If not, we know that. Go. Follow me.
That's what kind of building that. Okay. Cow. Okay.
This looks like a trap for cows.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, and I notice same old construction. This was here for a very long time. You see me? This is one trap for animal. We realize that.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Couldn't be nothing else. And as me telling you from experience and from looking at these buildings and finding these buildings, we gain a lot of experience. Alright, so this was a trap for cows. What is on us? It's the one for some stuff where they use to hold the land or something. The thing where them attach upon him for
Pull them.
the land.
Yeah, pull and yeah.
Yeah, guys.
So that's a work. Wow.
So, guys, I can guarantee you that there are a lot of buildings, there are a lot of outer buildings on this property. You know. However, I don't think we ever really get a chance to see them today. Yeah. So, you know, it was really a pleasure seeing this. Like, Joe, but do you want big up? Big up who you want big up? Camera here or what?
Just big up my girlfriend, my kids, my support Tanisha, Wyatt, Leo.
Anybody want big up?
All of Jamaica people, you know, dig them up, you know. Joe said that, you know. Alright, cool.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move.